Now this guy right here with a blue coat on, he is the only paid person on this organization. He is the director.
I was like, he must be special.
He is the only paid person for the whole volunteer, the whole.
That's so neat.
Look at this. And it's magical.
I see snow people.
Did you
Listen.
hear the whistle?
Listen.
Woo! We're gonna go! Yay! Boy, oh boy!
I heard the whistle, Granny.
All right, listen.
Is it on video?
Yes, it's on video.
The whistle.
Sit down. You have to sit down. We're getting ready to move.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh
We're getting ready to move.
You're videotaping me?
I'm videotaping her. She's funny. Sit down. Sit down.
It's moving.
That's the track. You see that track? Coming this
What are we
way.
doing, Dad?
I don't know, we're videotaping each other. We're on the Polar Express. We're backing up to hit the other track.
Yeah.
Granny, I was going to tell you I miss you.
Blow her a kiss. There you go.
Tell my version of Grammy too.
I love you. Look it, Granny.
There's all the cars and the people.
There's all the cars.
Gotta
Now,
wave
as
to
we go
'em.
out, when we decide to go the other way, as you get up here by the road, you're going to see a bunch of them standing on the porch, waving goodbye. Just smile and say, I'm having fun and you're not.
You're out in the cold. Well, there's a good parking spot right there.
Yeah. The car
Utah.
go flying down.
Okay.
Go flying down the track.
And you know what else you got to do?
Why did the car?
Oh, gotta look for deer. All right.